Welcome to the journey of a lifetime, one where you start with zero but have the world to gain. Imagine this. Nearly 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, struggling to find financial peace. Yet, amidst these startling numbers, there lies a path less traveled, a path of financial freedom and wealth creation that starts with nothing but determination and savvy strategies. In this guide, we're not just dreaming big, we're making it achievable. We'll debunk myths like the idea you need a fortune to start building one. We'll guide you through creating a budget that feels like a game plan rather than a punishment, boosting your income without working yourself to the bone and turning the little you save into a growing asset that works for you, even as you sleep. But that's just the beginning. We'll dive into leveraging free resources that make managing your finances a breeze, building a credit score that opens doors, and keeping the fire of motivation burning even when the going gets tough. So, are you ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building real wealth? Let's turn the page on financial struggles and start the journey to financial freedom together. Chapter 1. Introduction to Financial Freedom. Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom? Imagine a life where you're not tied down by your 9-to-5 job, living paycheck to paycheck. It's not a far-fetched dream. Financial freedom is about making your money work for you, rather than the other way around. But here's the kicker. You can start building this freedom today, even if your bank account reads $0. Financial freedom is your choice, says Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's a powerful statement. It means that regardless of your current financial situation, the power to change it lies within you. The journey to wealth begins with understanding that every big achievement starts with small, seemingly insignificant actions. Did you know that Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet, started his journey by saving pennies? He bought his first stock at age 11 using the money he made from selling chewing gum and soft drinks. This teaches us a crucial lesson. It's not about how much money you start with. It's about making smart decisions with the money you have. Chapter 2. The Power of Starting Small. Starting small is where the magic happens. It's easy to think you need a huge sum of money to make a difference in your financial future. That's a myth. In reality, the foundation of wealth can be built with just a few dollars saved each day. According to a study by Fidelity Investments, individuals who consistently saved $5 daily in a retirement account saw their wealth grow significantly over 30 years, thanks to the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Why? Because it allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Even Albert Einstein was amazed by its power, allegedly calling it the most powerful force in the universe. Here's a strategy to start small. Track every penny you spend for a month. You'll be surprised how much you can save by cutting out unnecessary expenses. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices that align with your financial freedom goals. Chapter 3. Understanding your current financial position. Knowing where you stand financially is the first step toward financial freedom. This might sound daunting, but it's quite simple. Start by listing all your assets, what you own, and liabilities, what you owe. This will give you your net worth. The goal is not to get discouraged if the number is negative, but to use it as a starting point for improvement. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about making the things that excite you possible, suggests Elizabeth Warren, a Harvard professor and U.S. Senator. A budget helps you control your spending, ensuring that you're investing in your future rather than just spending for today. An interesting fact is that, according to a survey by Bankrate, only 41% of Americans use a budget. This is alarming, as budgeting is one of the most basic and effective tools for managing finances. By being part of the minority that does budget, you're already ahead of the game. Chapter 4. Creating a bulletproof budget. Creating a budget is much like mapping out a journey. It's about knowing your starting point, understanding the terrain ahead, and navigating your way to your destination, which in this case is financial freedom. Surprisingly, a significant number of folks shy away from budgeting, possibly picturing it as a constraint rather than a tool of empowerment. Yet, those who do embrace it often discover not just clarity about their financial health, but also opportunities to save, invest, and spend wisely. The trick to a bulletproof budget isn't in complex spreadsheets or tracking every cent to the point of exhaustion. It's about setting realistic goals, differentiating between wants and needs, and most importantly, allowing yourself the flexibility to adjust as life happens. Saving first, a concept embraced by many financial experts, shifts the focus from what you can't do with your money to what you can do. It's about paying yourself first, securing your future step by step. Interestingly, many people find that once they start tracking their spending, they uncover hidden leaks in their finances. Those small, recurring expenses that go unnoticed but cumulatively drain significant resources. Addressing these leaks can be a game changer, freeing up more money for savings or to pay down debt. Chapter 5. Boosting your income. Increasing your income is a powerful strategy in your wealth-building arsenal. It's not just about working harder, but also smarter. The landscape of work has transformed dramatically, with more opportunities than ever to earn outside of traditional employment. Side hustles, freelancing, and passive income streams offer avenues to enhance your earnings, tailored to fit different skills, interests, and time commitments. The beauty of boosting your income lies in its direct impact on your ability to save, invest, and achieve financial goals faster. It's a proactive approach to expanding your financial capabilities, enabling not just a buffer against unexpected expenses, but also a faster route to investments and savings that compound over time. Chapter 6. The basics of saving and investing. Saving and investing are the yin and yang of financial security and growth. While saving provides a safety net, investing propels you forward, turning your saved money into a workforce that earns for you. The magic of compounding interest, often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world, cannot be overstated. Even small, regular investments can grow into substantial sums over time, thanks to the power of interest on interest. The key to successful investing is starting early and staying consistent. It's not about timing the market or chasing high returns without regard for risk, but about a balanced, informed approach to growing your wealth steadily over time. Diversification is your armor in the unpredictable world of investing, protecting you from the volatility of markets and ensuring that your investments have the opportunity to grow under different economic conditions. Chapter 7. Leveraging free resources and tools. In today's digital age, the amount of free financial education and tools available is astounding yet underutilized. Many people don't realize that they have a wealth of information at their fingertips, capable of transforming their financial health without costing a dime. From budgeting apps that connect directly to your bank account, providing real-time spending analysis, to podcasts and blogs filled with financial wisdom from experts and everyday people alike, there's no shortage of resources. The beauty of these tools lies in their accessibility. Whether you're a student just starting out, a young professional aiming to get ahead, or someone later in life looking to shift your financial trajectory, these resources are designed to meet you where you are. The key is to start exploring and experimenting to find what resonates with you and your financial goals. Chapter 8. Building and maintaining good credit. Credit is a powerful tool in your financial arsenal, but it's often misunderstood. A good credit score can be the difference between being approved or denied for a loan, and it can significantly affect the interest rates you're offered. Yet, many are unaware of how credit scores are calculated or how to improve theirs. Building good credit isn't just about paying bills on time, though that's a crucial part. It's also about understanding your credit utilization ratio, the types of credit in your name, and the length of your credit history. Simple steps, such as regularly checking your credit report for errors and responsibly using a credit card, can make a big difference over time. Chapter 9. Staying motivated and adjusting your plan. The path to financial freedom is rarely a straight line. It's filled with ups and downs, successes and setbacks. Staying motivated, especially when progress feels slow, can be challenging. Yet, it's the persistence and resilience in the face of adversity that often separates those who achieve their financial goals from those who don't. Setting clear, achievable goals and celebrating the small victories along the way can help keep your spirits up. Remember, every financial decision you make is a step toward your larger goals. And when life throws you a curveball, as it inevitably will, having the flexibility to adjust your financial plan will help you stay on track without losing momentum.